chrome, bay butu one in near me patcher. And there a Thursday. What of showbiz? Welcome. Every Thursday say I wouldn't say twins world. And then see yes, so fire on crowd. Yeah. I said end the day. Yeah, what was that our boy? Yeah, we need ya not to say a fuck room. I could G no say they are Etiano. Now and Ghana yeah ball. Kiss me answer na me more predicting no. But the mommy intro no answer. I we see for him our kwabashun konkora ediba WOS World of Showbiz. Near Kayo say streaming live on YouTube and then due to one or two things and to me and stream on Facebook and YouTube would do what HYTV do drop your comments no na share then like a subscribe base so that each and every day I call live for hope be when your notification say yeah but live into commenting the in here pa do her drop it. A back in kind in na and repay mu at the amount. Now HYTV can talent show no say that die bon de so auditions no coso into phones no 20 cedis over to me about HYTV premises now ban so abe pick forms no the only me be adumate de be woni mu bia no obeka ye ho a no so abe superstar eduane kra no ni dia ye ju obia o ye ju obia eduane po na ahwa se oba no ne talent no ehwe ho odidi e ma o feel tre bi enkrampo a we de bra na we pick forms no na ono so emeka sa competition we and then Thursday Ghana versus Portugal. Woo! What are you trying to say? I said we can yesha 40. Hey! Ghana for yesha 40 what you do I know be a enche goals no. You do what and any from for na bobo na. But yes still 40 na yesha mako too much. But them amincha Portugal for 2. Yesha 40 no ma show 2. Now swear. Oh me vim no e was say Ghana ye be she one no omo nhye na just say Ghana and ye be win we dey ye be win sa e na ye pa but answer na ye be win no mpacho ya wo aduane bia na we di nintem bibia betumi esi ai what they feel we ye man sabon na ye dey akoso na this week then they catch your attention e was this week they only say Ghana ball na just say obia e celebrate and say obia looking forward say Ghana betumi e win this week they social media about me some skills be na just say trendy say about me and didn't add about pele about footballers no na sister fian so trendy this week na or say Ghana for it's me win here obeko naked like naked na see my back there see my front there and see ebe shebi but to asaba back say yeah bro one can ona ne film no e wo film papa ain't viewers here the program bro me din e the efia kiss efia Friday ye try ho ye ba ye betena se ball no ye kwa bontin ko bisan krofo adwenkyere ne ne ma ye be ma more vibes ain't wo de woni bibi ye try ho na ya ba ye ba tumedie no afianza ya sha se tina se na relax na enjoy the word ma obia
puff pass my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh every day different wahala. Problem not the finish. One don't stop bringing in, all my friends are banging in, money calling my you. We don't come at you, and then I mean it be a time I miss my
Ghana fue pasase esidan o pasase ededi dwuma dia ene minia bema me kan for Haniyok Estate amao Haniyok Estate in Sasu prices no so affordable we want to tira kwan our kaswa Kalabule beside Star Oil filling station na Haniyok Estate won Sasu ebi award Dodowa Side Hills Opekuma Dentra Ofanko River Papase Dominance ena Akoti Haniyok Estate betimi afre won ewo ahomatrufo eso 030-290-5713 and I say 059-1786-754 Haniyok Estate ana one assassin litigation free
puff pass my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh every day different wahala. Problem not the finish. One don't stop ringing in, all my friends are banging in, money calling my phone like I'm banking, king. No be joke, I'm in heavy, making everything possible.
Yeah, mama, aqua bium about WOS. What of showbiz there? So Twins World, yeah, you busu ete. Now, offer you to see a coconsan, yeah, trendy. But this week, now, as a coconsan, yeah, young fan about Timber. You didn't with fear, hey, not just say, yeah, indoor stories and yeah, the bro. Now, this week, no, and Struma Plus, a course.
Yes, say a high people be now, so yeah, dear womb.
Yeah, dear womb, yeah, there, yes, yes, Adum Grace, Sa Codie, or no so eka, instruma, Adum, yeah, Adum for instrument plus, no so eka who be what, so when you lady way, I only say, Adum Sa Codie, they're banning you to forget, say. Just a banner sanswa forget it. Or see Mr. Drew now saying, and also let me echo PM, I would media no, I say now, Oko PM or Honor performance or the two Janet just say, will be a or will be a eka once. I'm a video no a trendy or call TikToker forgetting that the hopper papa into week where dear. Video daya kuma super papa Grace Adom Sa kwa the any performance or the two eja ewo instrument plus enti min kasa bebre no ye nkwana nso a utifi a wo hwe no utumi enjoy performance ni bi
na so pe me pe o do me do o to push me pa me na ye komo odo baby so pa me simpa we don't see me the best of my go yeah baby so shana ma pumpa push me na me bio odo me bio usuba dance me no sa
Hey, now we be Michelle, baby. I maybe something. Why not breaking a coma? I have
all the charcoal. But on the more serious note, while we talent no ewo asa ewo and young to ewo vocals no ewo who supported Grace Adom Sa kwa dia why now be support. But I am very good about the gospel or the bema, high life or the bema, asa or the bema. Like these are the people we need to support.
Versatile artists.
Yeah, versatile. Or sticking to one thing. It's not yes, right? I don't phone someone supported Grace Adom Sa kwa dia. Now mama voting no so and course no to me winning competition no and man because of that calm. It's not cruising. And see and then so when we himself football matches the Duana air coso and see HYTV entertainment crew what of show
yes
baby I grown up bia no be we and see a Simon so we see a football zone famo ho bay any day entertainment it's the entertainment crew no yet Simon so e kodin crofo adintre efa football ne ho and see yan kwhwe eye 1 or 2 videos a course so
Ghana. Can even be a black stars champion? By fire, by force, champion.
The match in India. Match we are fun to say we have and then they fun now. Oh, bless the fair. By coach, no, no, just election. Ne mumpa kami kwa da Jordan amani class. Ni buzu no kusem. Se buzu na. Only say me nim here dede na bo. Dede uti dede a, dede 47 dede bo. Ba Jordan uti na no na. O bi always back and we dey go through one. As a guy amani class. But I never try here bo. People do not sense place in you. Very 2 days in exactly.
And then back here. Yep.
Okay. To me, the score is that once they have done. Because from what I'm seeing, the team that we have now they are strong enough to win this before.
My dream shred and I'm then
hands down. Hands down. I'm not you too. You say also that year we need hands down. Now only the assignment is rock and I'll sit near Musha. On me crown. Said that we made it 40. Yes, 40. Now you're chunk of funny me. Like now only and you might trend the papa and go shut up on your mama a year World Cup. Papa Pampasi and share 1 or 2 songs. Trend the pa. Na kwaku flake abobi sanso na nsi so abobi e na akwabwa de no enti o no yankɔhwɛ na de akachu attention no ye ba na aka ho asɛm enti yankasa bebre ne yankɔhwɛ videos no na yambra
Jordan, are you ready? Boys, are you ready? Spot the back, control the back, Tariq Lamte. It's how cool you ready? Idris Ubabade. Gideon Mensah Boeche. How can you score while I cut no way? Kudus day, Kudus day, Kudus day, Kudus day. It be Kudus game, Kudus game, Kudus game, Kudus game. Are you ready? Kudus day, Kudus day, Kudus day. It be Kudus game, Kudus game, Kudus game, Kudus game. So anything we go come, we go score them. Ole, ole. Afenejan is on the park, we go score them. Ole, ole. Go feature Henry, you go score them. Ole, ole. Jordan, yeah.
Concept. We go run kitty kitty. We go score kata kata. Black stars, we come fire fire. No retreat, no surrender. Hey, bring back the love where you say you get for your country. Forget the past, but we move on. Cheers to victory. Bring back the love where you say you get for your country. Forget the past, but we move on. Cheers to victory. I know that it won't be hard, we know that the road will be muddy and rough. Can't see a bear when I get fair. Heaven no say, but I am an IFA. We know we won't. Now really hit it. Now really hit it.
Win, win, win. Everybody, everybody, everybody. I said blaster, blaster. Black Star and Strobia.
favorite.
Okay, my favorite no make us na senior no AG. The entire make us so Jama vibe no. E wo mu ni say footballers the omo dey any Jama.
Yeah.
Tin we say no mu betumi dey boogie fine what I say now.
But when you say Akobo always have that soft voice.
Okay.
Into your own voice need all this catching doing be like a catch. I say you be no what I say. But Jama all the way. You be the bit chiasa.
Yeah, I say it's only be aha and what is trending in na AC. And you guess me no maba. Or maba righteous ewa hanum sanso and a coming roll. Or no so ewa a hanum. My amutan who the comments but I'm share them who and they but be PM ewa aha say into ye try home ye buy your first guest a righteous Van Dyke or be join ye or has to say enko baby.
My Mary Jane, I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh every day different wahala. Problem not the finish.
One don't stop ringing, and now my friends are banging.
Ghana Fue Pasase Esidan O Pasase Ediedi Dumadia Ene Minia Bema Mekanfo Haniyok Estate Amao Haniyok Estate in Sassen prices no air so affordable. We want to tira kwan our Kaswa Kalabule beside Star Oil filling station na Haniyok Estate on Sassen ebi ewo Dodowa Side Hills Opekuma Dentra Ofankoje River Papase Dominase Ena Akoti Haniyok Estate Umetimi Afre one Ewo Akumatru Fueso 030-290-5713 and I say 059-1786-754 Haniyok Estate and one assassin a litigation free.
They calling my phone like I'm banking, thinking, no be joke, I'm in heavy making everything possibly got my swag on thinking. He said good day, all night, all day chilling, don't try me start 10. It's a Friday night, oh hey, come we drop in this party.
Osine come for get to a show boy, Virginia Kono, yes, from one is a running penny didi. What you call, yeah, baby, say where you're there, Ebefa, your boss, what, Ebeche,
righteous. Miami, na yewe yako Esha ubo, ubesi arewu
Miye tuno mate
Usi huhu mate Enye kowo ensho Miye madye na seshiwa Kona kowo ensho Miye madye na seshiwa Kona kowo Ejuma wuye, obia edi pen, enyuma ye tuwe, obia tubie jai, obi wo sika so ye ni binyansa, obi wo nimye so ye sike ni bimuwa, yeda papa demo si yeda na yada, woti abronse musu ni busuo, wodi ko yebeba, uye den, ebefa, eboswa, ebeche. Unane niami ye na yewe yako Esha ubo ubesi arewu Miye tuno mate Usi huhu mate Enye kowo ensho Miye madye na seshiwa Kona kowo ensho Miye madye na seshiwa Kona kowo Ubete Wesu munshano bada benye Abaso body ahe na waje Sikado duwase na wenya Emone mwaka krene yobi Achia ka krene yobi Enye usunami yo say she wa kona kowu.
Richard Van Dyke, Parliamentem. Osnedi come for Bufrocket to a show boy. Pidgina Kono, yes, a buffalo one is a running penny didi. What your call, ya beba, so where you there, Ebefa, your boss war,
Ebeche, righteous. Miami, na ye when ya go. Heshobo, Ubesia rewu.
Me a two no mate.
Usi who mate. And you go and show, me a man, and I say, she wa gonna go and show, me a man, and I say, she wa gonna go.
I too know need you be pan and there.
So what's it?
Minty so what's it? Intimate business. Oh, yeah, sure, Pastor, what's it? And while sharing my boy, not to say, oh, building. Yeah, they do handle. It's WS, what of showbiz and Augusta will share our HITV so and they into me and streaming with Facebook, but I'll call your YouTube page. I will honor HITV now subscribe. He said a bear anytime you are a better like bear also be a notification. Now I join here. Friday really Miami dear man.
Anytime I'll make us say, I'll call you. Well, yeah, and I'm saying I'm sure because you know, beyond the Yanisa. It's in your boy at your nipple. I say, ain't Tia Casabe brain, no, righteous or building, it's righteous. I'm joining your stage, age. Fresh boy,
what's your bronze? Musunini Busu, what do you call your beba?
Oh, yeah. Penny do a how when you have to win.
And see, we sound for righteous and Aveka and San Wash, and you can make a choice in Canaba. Already Canaba, glasses got cracked, dreadless got cracked. Hey,
how many using levels car?
It's righteous.
Mammy,
my effect.
What's that?
About any more.
Some more, and I think I thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, that's a parcel to me a buyer. Like, you need to just order by because Okasha is almost school, but yes, still, or do I say, and I say, it's the answer, no, and it's with you righteous and himself control my 85 and a righteous.
First of all, righteous one like a 16-year-old kid.
Wow.
Our winning show my 2019.
Macho voice, my no voice new.
Winning show my 2019.
Okay.
From there, no. Academy student, we are academy student, and from there we are trying to push music forward. I'm a high life artist. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
I can't afford it. Yeah.
If you make me say, what time I'll call instrument? How was the day?
It was good. Okay. Yeah, it was good because now man got some money in instrument anymore. Now I wasn't interested in music. Me and Kasana I was interested in dancing and all those stuff.
Wow.
But now you to Nankasa, they mentioned that I am alive, sir. But as a for him, is a instrument.
Wow.
Let me put it that way. As a for him, could be now. There's our tongue in will be a best because say, there's so much now. Yes, so much you be. So I was just passing through, but God knows what is best, and yeah.
Interesting. As some do be a pan and the wire study, they all be a man also for Danas.
And then there was
really. Oh wow. And see, Uko instrument, not as a or be our Phyllis say, see or how many competition. And now you say already, you are unique in your own self.
I always say that Obia is unique in his own self. I mean, Now bet me I mean to me. Now is I mean to me. Now bet me we can do it.
Sure.
So now me shut down Zobia. We had Righteous, we had Gideon, we had Ashley, we had other people. There was always, I always say that there is always one Bob Marley, and there will always be. There is always one Lucky Dube, there will always be. And there was always Righteous One Day. Until now, me shut down Zobia. I don't know say me can begin to say I was doing it.
Yeah.
Said so many words until now me feel cry.
You say because so now we knew.
You see.
Until maybe say to say uko senior high, right? Until no shows and so but we had day shows ever. It was school when I first said Charlie when you show uko play bar. Like any educational way, no sign I will copy with it. It's not we hear music now. Some Ebenezer Wahe for class maybe. Sign I and copy.
It's not that difficult.
Okay.
May I have this one friend now, so anytime I miss class, when I go to school, I say one day actually we did this.
Wow.
Then he take me through. If I don't understand, me put teacher or no, I share me. It's not that easy coping with music and education. Sometimes our education to me music. Like as I may waste time on education, as I may waste time kakadu. But fame without academia, fame without academics, and yes. Because academia is also good. But I said that for me, sir.
Wow, share. Once I did make us say, and so when you can say, we know I am very young, but or cast out to say in penny some cacao, and penny some man, sorry to say, Yansan said a womb. Now I drop in the album and Moonty and our has say, it's yes, Moreno. You could see 1 or 2 of the songs, nothing your bar. The NC or has like I have say, no, Nayakasa Afam.
Little me, your leg. You better own your mama was so my own. Ooh. jolly. But the little bra for a comamba. Ooh, baby. You be the one that do your time. Look at me jolly. You be born your mama was my own. Ooh, to Betty do till I tido. Oh, yeah, yeah. Right, so fast. You be the one that do your time. Me call me jolly. But the little bra for a comamba. Ooh, baby. You be the one that do your time. Me call me jolly. You be born your mama was my own. Ooh, to Betty do till I tido. Oh, yeah, yeah. Right, so fast. You be the one that do your time. Me call me jolly. But the little bra for a comamba.
Challenge you the best now. Yeah, they will better answer now.
Asani ni masa but ebefa. And then the best asani. It's near can say a audio no ewo abonting but visuals no na by but one need to scan or video no so you better one. And I'm a boy.
It's right. Let's say maybe so far. How many tracks do you have?
So far I have 3.
Okay.
Wow.
We count 4.
Okay.
Wow.
And see who or anyone. Way latest
one. We will ensure any of
wow. Now me ensure no nseme a woman no. Ensure that ensure mine.
Who say? Me put it this way. Say a man most of them pay good here. Yes, I don't know. That is the whole point of writing that song.
Okay.
Most of map pay good here. And when we release the song on TikTok videos, I near almost 200,000.
Wow.
And and the crowd should not show those who report my TikTok this, those who think I can leave this, those who and this and she'll be I did it. Move on your money.
Yeah, and she and I find
when I move on your money.
Joe. When I say into album now I drop it was the title and I knew my hand also.
The title is Takeover. And I'm 7 also.
Wow. At the end of the day.
We have Odo. I have a name, I have Takeover and Kasa. I have Showman, Gospel.
Wow.
I don't think
wow, it's catch my attention and a cappella of Odome Kakra. Because I normally they are trending already. Everybody know one Casaso.
Down my tie, a quack, Missy, tia, so
so why I
ever down and do what them say, come on me. It's easy,
and then next year,
it's Rachel's me person in this house say, when it's a good young pa and
not really. I was like, I know maybe I'm a bobit. So when I produced the first never meet in Metro. First, and this go to the studio year 2. I once came from school. You buy me bobit, and I mean I get one to this one Mary had a little and I picked it and I made yes I do it like today. So me pick with you, but anytime I ever gonna write it down.
Wow. And see, mommy be sawe and can I say high life music game penny. But as young as you are now, what find so much interest in high life music? What's so special about high life music?
High life music is a feeling on its own. Me can we take a couple of interviews as well. Let me say it again. Where I used to stay, now we get a lot of funerals.
Okay.
So now I'm paying for Baho, high life artist Baho. And now, but Ghanaians, we have this perception that we are kind of high life and penny for. Some penny for. But let me make this small demonstration. You don't know music, so I'll try to break it down.
Okay.
And I do be by the third lesson be by 1919 by Jack Onimo. Means a winning Jack Onimo. Obo ampon something like pan tan 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 tanana tan 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 tan. It is a demonstration. Pam 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 banana tan tan tan. This same progression. Mebo, but me more the same thing. Let me abono. Ta-na-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na. So high life music yet the same thing. When you play high life music, it's I don't know how to express it. Mean to me, explain this about was or even if you get it, you not get it like the way the woman is trying to explain it.
Sure.
Yes. Into high life music is a feeling on it.
Wow.
No. Me yeah. Of music. High life now. Yeah, they are to me. Yeah.
Okay. Kiss me. And you say enyum no to nekeke. Nemu otse enyum na se. Because what my like history about high life is here. It's enya to say akwala wa dinashe dente so yanu we na beto abra onti adekor na se. Wow. Like nyankopon shira. Nyame shira. Sana na listen so every mu ase no me catch no because young ones no obi wo ho kasa utumi say bia ya pressure no say onye ade no but obi so wo ho obechira o achira wa ade ni ma obi wo say ah enyo shebi ne momonim dia oye de ne momonim dia oye de oye enti yem hwe wonyom enyom no so far no hu ni say enyom no e trending.
Yes, yes. So far, and then release here 2 weeks come by. I think I have 8,000 something streams on Boomplay. But I'm taking otherwise there. I have almost like 200 videos on TikTok. But I find that we never start making waves. I believe God and I believe what Ghanaians can do. Yeah. Yes. So I don't know. So far, it's doing good out there.
Wow. Wow. You didn't me as say e koso. Na yem share say ebi awko penny form na so ko performing na. I say akola we dey. How do you feel? Because we in penny. Ebi say penny sem.
How do you say that comment?
Say no.
I like when people see me as penny sem. Yeah, because ma omo say omo drink say me drink kwechiri kakra. When people see you as we penny sem, they don't get what the pennies mean. When you say what pennies means, what drink actually, what drinks a penny. Yeah. So when someone says we a pennies, I understand. I like it. When you say pennies, I pepper.
Wow. Aha, unim baby. Free hand question where? Maybe some papa. So unim. Mommy say say enter. Bisa question mommy.
Maybe some.
Maybe some.
Ude say meeting out there can live on.
Oh, meka ade.
Is it Stone Girl and us?
Yes, Christo.
I knew something like this to pop up.
Stone Girl.
I knew.
What's up?
Okay, Stone Girl and I. Okay, so Stone Girl and I are best friends.
Wow.
Let me say we are best friends.
So, how did you guys get to link up? Because Onuno got talented kids. Yeah. And our instrument into about the same.
Not here to brag though, but in Granny and Minimum Penny.
Okay.
Yes, in Granny and Minimum Penny.
Hey, penny for a few.
And we get to your co-programs a lot. Both Center Case and so I think Michiano one day our Bambini program then my mom and her mom linked up there. Is that talking? So since our parents are talking, why don't we become friends? So we started from friendship, I think. As I mean, I make it from friendship. I see the hey! So we started being friends. I mean 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Okay. And but now we are close. Yeah, just
okay. And so now we be calling. We say, "Oh my shout out, be na church among for."
Do
challenge be pa. And Sanyo ne di baby interview no before I be calling. Oh, shout out be and answer for be person.
Okay, so big up to all my fans there, Gascony. Big up to Jamina. I see you. Big up to the beautiful ladies here. Big up to everyone. Big up to everyone watching me. Big up to Vandem Park. Keep supporting the brand.
Okay. Wow.
Auntie Miss Ramutea, do enyom. Mo find challenge me
na fe anyway.
Into me best home.
Yeah, besa. Yeah, besa. O say
simple dance.
Oh yeah. Righteous vibes. You be the one at the outside. Me call me jolly. I do you brand for a kumamba. Ooh, baby. You be the one at the outside. Me call me jolly. Me baby, when your mama was so my old. Ooh, to Betty do, Tilatido, Tido, Betty do, Tilatido, Tido, Betty do, Tilatido, Tido, Betty do, Tilatido, Tido. I do you drama and I don't cook. Me know me, you know your best as on to. Your best as link to. I do you way. Them tell you why me a pardon to. Say me shine ni mama ya tintinto. Me best friend some kuto. Me bow you more, me bow dundo. Them to know why me a cry don't talk. Say me shine ni mama ya tin to. Me best friend some kuto. Me bow you more, me bow dundo. To Betty do tila tido, tido, tido. 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 Mashashe musana mi hunisa, mi no one ko na mi ni musa. Odo to me mani pajini sa, the corona mi ni musa. Woman come up, share me order. Send me need be swat, share me order. If I'm in coho, I send me banana for my order. You win jammy woho, Sansan Chroma. If you rent to ma, this I come with the idea, made it come ma. Daddy I know ma, and now I'm more fade dear. Remember when you were Betty do tila tido, tido, tido. Betty do tila tido, tido, tido. Betty do tila tido, tido.
Puff, puff, pass, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh, every day different wahala. Problem not the finish. Phone don't stop ringing, and now my friends are banging, and money calling my phone like I'm banking, thinking. No be joke, I'm in heavy, making everything possibly. Got my swag on, thinking. It's a good day, all night, all day, chilling, and don't try me, start, ten.
It's a Friday night, hooray. It's your first round. Now, your favorite person, personal person, our building, Kwame Road, and a next guest. Kwame Road, Sika. Yes, Sika. Kwame Road to join your state, dear China, dear one in chain. Oh, yeah, dang. Economy now, I ding, you know, if Kwame Road, he said, Sikani now, it is a Kai Kwame Road. I think so. On a second guess, yes, that's it. What a show is on a second guess, or show. And then or dropping this shot, or dropping and then I
Last year I met to Benz, this year I met to range. Last year I met to house, this year I met to mansion. Last year I made the CDs, this year I made the dollars. Last year I met to Android.
Hey, Ro, I'm a journey. Or say a boy need any team days.
Let's say I'm coming brand.
What's it? Scam. It is a scam. It's Kwame Road. I'm a kind of home. Said I'm the kind of waba interview. I will have same thing. But and then or dropping, we're dropping and dra.
Yeah, I'm dropping
and then I used to hear about it was studio.
It's
the end of
first TV station.
Hey. And then the full performance or performing a interview baby. But Kwame say na bravo echo.
Oh, I rap on there. I'm don't see the cool.
Okay, into dropping you know so far so good. Then na echo so we on social media.
Oh, like difference, yeah.
We say what bad in the ABJ platform now, and now why you things not just why introducing you know actually your viewers. Mr.
The director I has say, and with the director join your name bisa 1 or 2 questions. And the time mentioned only say Ghana for air bobo.
It's direct and answer questions based on Sika Enyum. It's direct handsome with the fresh.
Fresh boys who want.
I hope I mean come.
It's direct I'm more cover. Now patch for us. Okay, Cyrus. Say cassette director make me will say actual director. It's when you man kasa any day.
Oh, director did no you man say. Like Obe coming up with a concept for a new and then what she to it say on set they were planning in a coso pepe as the way or scripted concept.
Okay, not just say Sikanum no na ye Jumani.
Into me bisao. So far so good no. Then you mind him our director and I win there first.
Oh nah.
Okay. And you best
my directing role number 3 yeah.
Okay.
Be my girl.
Wow.
Be my girl,
be my girl, be my girl. And my favorite song, no propose actually be, but also yes, I'm fun. So they are born. I'm fun. I'm fun. It's director me say working with Kwame Rose saying that is it difficult?
No. It's actually fun. Like yeah.
We are sure.
It's when they are all booking girls now. You know see a
director video ni ma bebre. Eba ne se na munya asamba ni nyina.
Ni nyina ye me a.
Wow, director uni krum.
Obi a me crash we dey ma tiada because a man na video ni ye bi we na guitar ye bi na guitar me
ti me try I didn't know title enum sika abra oman ni ma ye de.
Oh. Like sika de vibe no like we say unya we ya hwe nye
okay.
Ana the we have plan of try ni na. We ti man title bi enyum me fa only sika no. Yeah.
Obi a ye super sika na title no sika.
What they are
critical stage away.
Yam page the same. Enti e be signing out ni eja e floor no e de Kwame Ro. Enti aha na dey the show ni nyina AC aseda kese enkoma e MCR Bra Clement due to tablet due to Uncle Pius obi all backstage
and your producer Benny's Abina
Abina shout out enkoma MD we say that se dey na do
Mr. and Mrs. Sakode
Mr. and Mrs. Sakode mu na mama e konya ne ano ko ya da wase pan so na encha kese enkoma Auntie Mavis e dey bia wo hwe HITV da se na yeah mama Abna wo so dey bia wo hwe HITV World of Showbiz ya da wase mu koso and support World of Showbiz na Twins World me din e di Efia Friday
me din e di Efia kiss
meet me a friend
enti moon drop e enyom no
yes
Sika
yes you my Sika
Kwame Ro.
Let's hear me talk, man.
Yeah. Real music. Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika.
Hey, I'm married. Last year, you're single. This year, you haven't worried. Into Kwame Ro, beja flow na ma. Into mama chong moon dropping no na Kwame Ro and fan performing.
Kwame Ro. Yeah. Real music. Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Let's jam it to bands. This year me to range. Let's jam it to house. This year me to machine. Let's jam it DCDs. This year me the dollars. Let's jam it to Android. This year me to iPhone. Let's year I was single. This year I go date. This year I go day, this year I go day. Sika, yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika, yes, my yes, my now we be a talker. Yes, you are Jessica Drew. Obi a Rene Motonwa. On my baby Drew. Roboy. Yes, my Jessica come to Ghana. Me kwa America. Nini Obama. Yeah, hustle na mochele. Yeah, struggle na mobile. Oh my God. Spoil there, give me all my love. I can't for the mayor so still now go blow. I get dough, money go flow. Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Yes, my Sika. Must me Sika. I'm feeling my Sika. Now my testament, my Sika. I'm feeling Moka. One concern they be come. Obes are nothing my soul. We dey look for money. Obe toka, obe si daya chale Sika. And then you may be show me. Sika teacher yanda. We dey look for money. We dey search for money. Rock music to the world. And you may kayada. Chale uwo Sika dia. Ubenya biya kodi. Your money, your power. This time here, from where there, you have to get money. and yes, I just sugar daddy, better more body, and yes, I dia chale ube feti, sika, yes, imagine sika, yes, imagine sika, yes, imagine sika, yes, imagine sika. Let's jam it to Benz, this jam it to range. Let's jam it to house, this jam it to machine. Let's jam it to CDs, this jam it to dollars. Let's jam it to 100, this jam it to iPhone. Let's jam our single, this year I go date, this year I go date, this year I go date.
Yes, imagine Sika. Let's jam it to Benz. This year me to ring. Let's jam it to house. This year me to machine. Let's jam me the CDs. This year me the dollars. Let's jam it to Android. This year me to iPhone. Last year I was single. This year I go date. This year I go date. This year I go date. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika.
It's NB.
Kwame Rowe. Yeah. Rowe music. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. 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 Let's jam it to Benz. This year me to ring. Let's jam it to house. This year me to machine. Let's jam me the CDs. This year me the dollars. Let's jam it to Android. This year me to iPhone. Last year I was single. This year I go date. This year I go date. This year I go date. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. 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 Young baby.
It's NB.
Kwame Rowe. Yeah. Rowe music. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. 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 Let's jam it to Benz. This year me to ring. Let's jam it to house. This year me to machine. Let's jam me the CDs. This year me the dollars. Let's jam it to Android. This year me to iPhone. Last year I was single. This year I go date. This year I go date. This year I go date. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. 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 Young baby a talker. Yes, imagine Sika dro. Obi yare ne hotonwa. Ono ma bibi dro. Roboy. Yes, imagine Sika, Maji Sika kamete Ghana. Me kwa America, mini Obama. Yeah, hustle na mo chile. Yeah, struggle na mo bole. Baba God, spoil they give me all my Lord. I time for the beja kwan so still now go blow. I get dough, money go flow. Sika, Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Mose mini Sika. I'm fe manya Sika. Nyamwe te seme manya Sika. I'm fe moka. Kon ebe kumo. Obe sa na timwe ni so. We dey look for money. Obe toka. Ube si daya chale eye Sika. Nana nyamye beshe wume. Sika nti tere yanda. We dey look for money. We dey search for money. Roll music to the world. Enyi nyame anka yada. Chale uwo Sika dia. Ube nyabia kodi. Your money, your power. This time dear, fanboy dear, you have to get money. And yes, I dear sugar daddy, better more kodi. And yes, I dia chale ube fenti. Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Sika. Yes, imagine Sika. Sika. Yes, imagine Jessica. Last year I met to Benz, this year I met to Range. Last year I met to House, this year I met to Mansion. Last year I made the CDs, this year I made the dollars. Last year I met to Android, this year I met to iPhone. Last year I was single, this year I go date. This year I go date, this year I go date. Raw music.
Jim Promise alongside you. Na 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 na. Put the run to me there. More money, Charlie, and enjoyment. At the top life regardless, cause trouble never gets no honey. More money, Charlie, and enjoyment. At the top life regardless, cause trouble never gets no honey. Me I came and conquered the game. Me not come to play. Sexy girl them sing my name. Me I came and conquered the game. Me not come to play. Yeah. Oh my, we the ball like he drove out. We going up, never go down, oh. And we stay fly, never sober, oh. Yeah, pull up in the Rover, oh. Make the girl them wanna go mad, oh. Pull up in the G-Waggy, oh my, oh. Make your girlfriend wanna follow back home, yeah. Charlie, she can't paying Kwanada.